HELI creates excellence with advanced technology. The brand new G-series 5-1010 internal combustion counterbalance forklift truck features first-class style with beautiful industrial design and popular streamlined appearance. HELI always pursues innovation. The new G-series forklift truck integrates technology and humility and applies top-down design with advanced computer-aided software. The key components are optimally allocated and completed performance is greatly improved. With professional analysis software, the strength of frame, overhead guard, rim, and mast are effectively improved, which contributes to high rigidity, durability, safety, and reliability. HELI Forklift aims to provide perfect solutions for material handling and short-distance transportation and focuses on every detail to satisfy users' actual needs and requirements. The suspension seat with weight balance is more comfortable and more adaptive. The steering wheel can be adjusted to 90-degree forward and backward through adjusting mechanism, which is convenient for operation and reduces fatigue effectively. The unique safety start protection device requires start at neutral gear, which avoids damages to the engine and other key components caused by misoperation. HELI also pays attention to ergonomic research. The G-series 5-1010 internal combustion counterbalance forklift truck has optimized the operation space in the cab, which ensures driving comfortability. Leading thinking and innovation induce the new G-series 5-1010 forklift truck efficient driving power, flexible controllability, intelligent gear shifting, and improved working efficiency. Fully sealed designed engine chamber with composite muffler effectively reduces operator's noise and reduces acoustic power level by 5%. Advanced suspended transmission system greatly reduces the vibration of the operation system. The use of suspended cab reduces vibration by more than 30%. At the busy port, the innovation design of the new G-series 5-1010 internal combustion counterbalance forklift truck provides unimaginable high efficiency, safe operation. The use of wide-view mast, internal width 606 mm, and optimized instrument panel design provided operators with wide front view with optimized counterweight appearance. The rear view angle is dramatically expanded. The G-series 5-1010 internal combustion counterbalance forklift truck is safe and reliable. It can keep working at optimal condition, featuring excellent performance and extra high efficiency, which will bring you newly valued experience. Convenient maintenance is another key advantage of G-series 5-1010 internal combustion counterbalance forklift truck. HELI is always committed to improve the convenience on maintenance to forklift truck. The maximum open angle of engine hood is up to 80 degrees, which is convenient for maintenance. The separate integrated electrical cabinet also makes it more convenient for service and maintenance. The lock on fuel tank cover is very humane. The fuel tank is enlarged by 10% and thus the fuel reserve is increased. With excellent ergonomic design, efficient operation system, comfortable and spacious cab, the new G-series 5-1010 internal combustion counterbalance forklift truck brings you extra value. HELI makes efforts to provide customers satisfied products with no vibration, low noise, comfortability, high efficiency, safety, and reliability. HELI always leads the industry with advanced technology and innovation and aims to create a beautiful future for the national industry. HELI, lifting the future.